Right on. I just turned the lights off. But all boarded out, side elevator. She's done as well now. I just brought me laser thermometer because I just wanted to see. 13.6, and I know these were reading 10. What does that say now? 12.7. Yeah, let me check the ceiling. I don't think it's focusing for you guys, but 13.6, that's good. That it's miles warmer than it was. Here we go then. So started to get this wall done. Decided to break this plaster off here. Let me come down here. So I decided to break this plaster off and get that replaced. So we've just got a bit more to put on there tomorrow. Let's take a temperature reading of that wall. So do that. 12.12. So that's a party wall between the neighbours. So this one here, this is an external wall. Let's have a look what we get here. 9.5. There you go. So we've got a 4-degree difference approximately from here to the walls we've done upstairs. So I'm quite pleased about that. Yeah, so we're getting there. They started stripping the wallpaper off so we can start getting that made good. And we've got that in there. That's nice. Right, so here's today's work then. So I've got that pitch skimmed, got the back wall skimmed. That bit there, you can see how it's nicely drying out. So that's that pitch. So I've done that top there, so I'll be able to get the lights in. I've come around this way. See, I've got that done as well. Also got all the boards completed down the stairs. Yeah, coming on. So Tom's framed these out. There's going to be like doors or something going on there. One over there as well. But yeah, winning the firefight. All good. So tomorrow it'll be skim that side. Get that bottom half done. Then do that bottom half. I was trying to do opposites. So yeah, that side and that side. And then I'll do that. Get the window reveals done. And then check on this wall in one go. Right, I ain't been doing any video because all we're doing is skimming. But you can see here, this back wall's drying out nicely. You can see the dabs, but it's still drying out. And this wall here, the timber work, bottom dry nearly. So that's good. I already did that yesterday, that wall. But we're all boarded down here. So I've been making good. We've got bonding plaster making up all around where the boards meet the wonky ceiling. Yeah, and now this wall's been dressed on both sides, so that's boarded now. Let's put the light on. So once that's done, the radiator can be put on. There's the pipes for the radiator. Same on this side. That one's actually hung in place. All this ceiling's boarded now. I believe Tom's just cut in the piece for under the stairs. And then jobs are good. And yeah, we've got another wire in there for another light, extra light. But yeah, it's coming on. It's coming on. Right, boys and girls, so it's been a big plastering day today. So me and the old Tom White. So, under the stairs done. This ceiling done. This wall done. And then up the stairs, the big 8. All the way up here, it's drying nicely. And this wall as well. And then we're just waiting for this to go off. We're just waiting for that to go off there, and that is all the plastering done. Got the bulbs connected up to Smart Life. Need a couple of bulbs for in there, but you can see all this is drying out lovely now. Just on the joints where it's a bit thicker. Got this socket connected up. Everything's fan-dabby-dozy. So it's basically trimming now, so it's skirting, architraves, doors to go on this area, and then clear out. So we're looking maybe day and a half, 2 days, and that'll be it. I've got a bit of external work to do, but yeah, no great shakes. So yeah, done alright, haven't we, mate? Yeah, done alright. And then, oh yeah, got the rads on the wall, so we've got that rad there. I don't know if I filmed this on the wall actually.
Yeah, 3 extra rads.
Yeah. So, plastered this yesterday, I can't remember if I pointed it out. But yeah, that's drying out nicely. And this is a brilliant sized bedroom even with that wall. So yeah, brand new radiator there. Brand new radiator there. And obviously one upstairs. We'll put a second light in. Decided it needed it.
Definitely needed it.
Yeah. Nice little cubby hole there. I'll give its door on there. That one's screwing back. Yeah. Job's a good one. So that's another week done. So anyway, yeah. So what we need to do, don't forget, a subscription isn't just for Christmas, it's for life. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you don't subscribe, give it a subscribe. Comment, I'll get back to you. Any questions about anything, just ask us. Hi Tom. Anything to add, Tom?
Yeah, make sure you take your plaster off all your frames, otherwise your paint will stick to it.
Yeah, that was
Top tip.
Top tip.
And do it while it's soft.
Yeah.
This is a lot harder when it's gone off. But when it's, make sure the plaster's gone off enough though, so you don't knacker your plaster work that you just done.
Yeah. So that's cool. We're cool. Right, we're gone. Have a good week. Have a good Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Right, guys, just wanted to say Merry Christmas to you all. Hope you have a fantastic time. And also, I just wanted to point out that I just got to 300 subs. Now, to me, that's brilliant. But still, over 90% who watch these videos are not subscribed. So if you could just throw a subscription in, that'd be brilliant. It'd make my Christmas. You know, it means a lot to me that I've got 300 and I've got 300 of you following me at the minute. But yeah, if you could do it for Doggy and me, we'd love that. Drop us a like. I'll see you all soon. Merry Christmas.